Welcome to Sync Made Easy Tutorials. In this video, we'll guide you through the initial step of configuration, creating and activating a new site. To get started first, go to the site page. Check the box to register your Salesforce site domain and click OK. It's that simple. Now, go to Site Settings and click on New Site. Fill in the required fields, including labels and the active site homepage, and select Answers Home, then simply save it. Next, check Status and then click on Configure Site, select the site URL and click on Success. If your site page is not configured, click on the Site Page button and update public access settings to enable Apex class access. Click on Edit, add HIC Shopify Sync Authenticate, and save your changes. Finally, go back to the app and click on Success and click on Initialize. Allow the necessary permissions. And there you go. Site creation and configuration are done. Thanks for watching.